darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by a flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sounds of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs their voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sounds of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed